I'll be showing you some of the essential items that I'll be taking with me to uni in September. So firstly I'll start with some of the kitchen items. So I've decided to take a saucepan, 2 frying pans, 2 mugs, 2 glasses, as well as a potato peeler, a grater, a couple of wooden spoons and a spatula, also a couple of tea towels, and I'd recommend taking a chopping board as well. I'd also really recommend taking some Tupperware boxes, as these are really good for storing extra food or storing food such as cheese or your meats, just so they'll last a lot longer. Also, Ziploc bags are really good for when it comes to freezing your food. I've also got a 16-piece cutlery set, and I'd recommend getting ones that are really colourful and I've got a design on them, just so people are aware that they belong to you so no one else uses them. So when it comes to my plates and bowls, I've got 2 bowls, 2 side plates, 2 dinner plates, and I've also got a pasta bowl, and I've got my name written on underneath as well. And I'm probably going to label everything else just so people are aware that they belong to me. So now moving on to bedroom items, I've got a 3/4 bed, so I decided to buy 2 sets of double bedding, and my bed has underbed storage, so I decided to buy a couple of storage holders just so I can keep my clothes in or extra items. So now moving on to bathroom stuff, I've got a soap dispenser, a cup, and I'll be taking 2 towels as well. And I've also got a laundry basket, and these are really good for when you want to go down and do your washing. It just keeps everything in there. And I've also got an adapter as well, and these are really good just in case you've got a lamp or just to charge your laptops or anything like that. And in most uni rooms, not really allowed to hang anything on the walls, so what I've done is I've decided to buy a couple of plants just to make the room feel really homey. And to put on the shelves, I decided to buy a couple of picture frames just to make it look really nice. And as well as got a couple of boxes just to keep extra items like makeup. So that's some of the essential items that I'll be taking with me. I hope this has been really useful.